How's it going guys, Phil here, and in this video I'll show you how to reverse the door hinge on an Insignia Mini Fridge, so that instead of opening to the right, it will open to the left. The model number of this unit is NS-CF44BK3, but the process should be similar for other single door mini fridges. First, you'll want to remove all the items and shelves from inside the fridge. On top of the fridge, remove the cover over the hinge where it's currently installed, in my case on the right. Then also remove the cover over the mounting holes on the opposite side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16 inch hex socket wrench, or electric drill, loosen and remove the two screws securing the hinge and lift it off the door and fridge. Then carefully open the door and lift it up off the bottom hinge. On the bottom of the door, you'll need to swap the location of the stop. So with the door placed exterior side down on a table, I'll be moving the stop from the left to the right side by removing the screw securing it, pulling out the stop, placing it in the groove on the other side, and tightening it down. Next, we'll be swapping the two front feet on the fridge. Carefully lay the fridge on its side or tilt it back. Remove the adjustable foot and two adjacent screws, again with a Phillips head screwdriver or 5/16 inch socket wrench. Remove the two screws securing the foot on the hinged side and reinstall it on the opposite side, making sure to use the rear hole that's closest to the outside of the bracket, not the interior one. Now replace the two screws and the adjustable leveling foot on the other side. Stand the fridge back up, set the door onto the lower hinges post, and close the door, checking that the seal touches the fridge all the way around. If there's a gap, you may need to adjust the placement of the bottom hinge foot. If there are no issues, place the top hinge into the hole on top of the door on its new side, again aligning the outside hole on the bracket to the mounting point, and replace the two screws. Now you can snap the hinge cover back on and cover the holes on the other side. And now, instead of opening to the right, the door on this fridge opens to the left. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to this mini fridge and my full review of it in the description below and the info bubble above. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.